Hey guys, I'm inspecting a house that was built in 1889 and they've removed some ceilings and walls. And when they removed those, they found some pretty cool things that people don't normally see. So I want to show you those. So when they removed the ceiling, it uncovered knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube wiring is one of the earliest forms of interior wiring of a house or a building. And it's only a hot and neutral, there's no ground. And let me zoom in here. So the knobs are what they look like, the knobs, and then the tubes actually are the porcelain tubes that go through the floor joists themselves. So here's an example of a tube, and those wires there that you see are running through the floor joist in that porcelain tube. They would run the hot and the neutral together, and so the hot is the black wire, the neutral is the white wire. And sometimes a junction needed to be made or they needed to change a direction, and so they would add those knobs there. You could see the tubes going through the floor joist and the knob is slightly below that. And that would kind of insulate the hot wire against the combustible material, which is the wood. So in order to get electricity back in those days, they would have a power plant. So the local municipality would have a power plant that would only run certain hours of the day. So they wouldn't run 24/7 like they run today to provide electricity. So they would often rely on gas lamps or light fixtures. And we can actually see remnants of those old systems within this house. Let me show you. So you can see the old gas line there, and the gas lines often ran very close to the electrical lines because a lot of these light fixtures would both work gas and electric. So when the power plant went out, they would be able to turn the gas on and still have light. And so there's a gas line it's disconnected now. They're not using it anymore, but let me show you the outlet of that. So this is the electric here that goes down. This is in the foyer area. And there's a gas line that comes through. And you can see the gas line right next to the new electrical box, which was the old electrical box. So this would have run gas and electric for that light in the foyer. So this is another gas line that goes into the wall. There would have been a gas sconce here in the wall. It's since been covered up, but they could light the gas sconce there. So the big problem with knob and tube wiring isn't that it's old, it's that you have modern wiring that needed to be connected to knob and tube, and electricians or handymen didn't really know how to do that, and so they would have these improper splices on knob and tube. So today's modern houses are between 150 amps to 400 amps, and the vast majority of houses are 200 amps. This house would have been 30 amps. One 30-amp fuse coming from the meter outside, and that's all that would power this entire house. This house is about 2,500 square feet. There are some pretty cool things within this house, so let me know if you want a part two. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.